Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to give an honest review about a handy and cordless vacuum by Dyson, the V11 Absolute Plus. So actually I bought this online through the Dyson official store around the beginning of 2021. So this is my review after using it for nearly 1 year. So the delivery was actually pretty safe. Looks pretty secure, wrapped in bubble wrap, covered also in an outer cardboard box. So you can see me here trying to carefully unwrap it and take it out of this outer cardboard box until I can finally get the main box out. And as I got this box open, I noticed that every component is covered in its own cardboard box. So I guess Dyson really did have concern over the protection of its products reaching the consumers. And on top of all that, this product has a 2-year warranty from Dyson. So it comes with a warranty card and a user manual, which shows how to operate it and how to maintain it and how to clean it. Also within this video, I'll show you how to assemble and disassemble each component. So here's a summary of what's in the box, plus the standing dock. So it's been nearly 1 year I've been using this vacuum. So within this video, I'd like to show you the condition of the vacuum and also the condition of each component and how well it still performs till this day. So before we begin, I'd like to show you how much it actually weighs. So the main machine with the battery weighs 1.9 kilograms. The vacuum with the standing dock weighs 6.5 kilograms. And the standing dock alone weighs 3.5 kilograms. So put that into equation, the vacuum with a wand and a head weighs 3 kilograms. But with the handheld vacuum with a motorized tool weighs about 2.2 kilograms. But to be honest, I think this vacuum is a bit heavy, especially if it's operated with one hand. So this is the wall mount you can use for charging, but I don't use this. I use the standing dock for charging. And these are the various heads that it comes with. This first one is the high torque cleaner head, used for vacuuming carpets mainly. And this is the soft roller cleaner head, mainly for cleaning tiles and wooden floors to avoid scratches. And this is the head that I mainly use at home because I don't have many carpets. And as you can see, it's still in pretty good condition. Only some of the stitches are coming off. But other than that, overall, it still works perfectly. And I'm pretty satisfied with it. And this is the mini motorized tool for cleaning sofas and beds. And this is the soft dusting tool for cleaning curtains and objects on shelves. And this is the combination tool to switch quickly between dusting and cleaning in tight spaces. And the crevice tool to clean even harder to reach spaces. And the stubborn dirt brush with the harder and stiffer brush. And what I like about this is how easy it is to empty the bin. point and shoot, and all the dust comes out very easily. Give it a little shake and it's all out, and you can reuse it really quick. So here are the different power modes that you can switch easily depending on your need. There's the eco mode, the medium mode, and the most powerful boost mode. So let me show you how well it's doing after almost 1 year. We'll start by cleaning the bed using the motorized tool. Then use a soft roller cleaner on the floor. Now let's try it on this thick carpet with some pellets and see how well it works. Using the high torque head, putting it on medium mode. To be honest with you, before I vacuumed the carpet, I emptied out the bin. So this is what I got, the pellets and some more dust. So overall, I'm still pretty satisfied with the results here. So now I'd like to show you how to disassemble and assemble each component for cleaning. So for this bin, after shooting it open, at the bottom you'll see a number 1, which you can press and then pull to disassemble the bin. You could rinse this through water and remove any dust or hair that's still sticking on the vacuum. And before reassembling the bin, make sure that it's completely dry. And to reassemble, first align it and just give it a little push. And for the filter, just give it a little twist and pull. Now you could actually rinse this filter through water, but before assembling it, make sure that it's air dried first. Now for the high torque tool, you can actually use a coin to open this. Just turn it until it's vertical and gently pull it out. And this part can be rinsed also, and remove any excessive hairs that's probably tangled on it. And again, before reinserting it, make sure it's dry. Now for the roller cleaner, if you turn it upside down, you can see that the hole is actually a bit smaller, so you do need a screwdriver to twist it. And on the side, just give it a little lift and you can pull the main roller out. This roller can be rinsed and washed thoroughly, but make sure that it's dry before reassembling it. And even the smaller roller can be removed and cleaned. So as you can see, after almost a year of using this, the condition of it is actually still pretty good. Although some of the stitches are coming out, but that's not very serious. I mean, you could just give it a little trim, and it still works pretty well. And as far as I know, I think all of these parts are replaceable anyway if something were to be damaged. So after reassembly, grab your screwdriver again and twist it to the right to lock it in. Now for the mini motorized tool, grab your screwdriver and turn it to the left. You can remove the little part and gently give it a little twist to take out the brush. This brush can be washed and dried before reassembly. So overall, after using this for almost 1 year, I think this vacuum is still very useful for me and still works very well. I have never experienced any malfunctions, nothing broke, no damages at all. I am still very satisfied with the results. I even take it with me sometimes in my car, help clean my car also. Keep in mind that this has a 2-year warranty, but I hope that I'll never have to claim that warranty ever. So I hope this video could help you to decide if you want to buy this cordless vacuum or not, because to me, I think I would really recommend it and you won't regret it. Any more questions or comments, please leave it below. Thank you for watching.